Why the price still continued to go down? We have a seller, guys, on Thursday confirmed on the SEC filing for DJT. And of course, here we see that ARK Global just unload 5% of Trump Media stock. This is worth of 11 million shares. And of course, if you want to do the math, this is almost quarter billion or around $325 million on Thursday here, once the price went down from the 29.70. However, we have a good thing in the technical, guys. The fundamental doesn't show us this. The technical show us that we have a good buyer on Thursday after this selling pressure before the market close, and after that on Friday once the market open. We have two buyers, guys. We have one seller it was shows on SEC filing for DJT. However, we have two new buyers here on Thursday and Friday after the market open. And of course, we have a good technical here because we broke this descending channel, because last time we discussed this descending channel was before the election day, and we have huge jump after that. So this is the first pre-signaling for DJT for the next week before Black Friday. So this is could be early Black Friday discount for DJT. I'm not saying, guys, to load up on DJT. This is not a financial advice. Please, guys, don't take everything I say at the face value. Please always seek a financial advisor. So for now, guys, where the price will go, where we should focus on, where the price will go before the end of this month, because many, if you asking, is this the bottom? Should we buy? Should we sell? What we should do? So now into this today video, we have to discuss the price action, at least for tomorrow, Monday, and what we should do if we broke the resistance or if we broke the support. And why we discuss DJT, of course, because DJT already jumped before even the election, guys. Let me just show you. If you late to the party, DJT already did 300% in just 30 days. And of course, after that, we have another squeeze from the bottom. We did 100% in just less than 1 week. So if you just came right now, it mean you're late to the party, because DJT did the huge jumps early before. And of course, we discussed this on our Discord many times for entry and exit for DJT. We don't discuss just DJT, guys. We discuss many stocks. As you can see here, we discussed DJT around the bottom. We said around the 25, once the price was around the 30, and we hit the 25 and we reversed from there. So guys, in Discord, we discussed DJT and mini stocks. Last time we discussed a really good hunt for our elite members. We discussed Disney, which was really good trade. We discussed Spotify around the 12th of November. Grab, all of them went really great, especially Disney and Spotify, which Spotify still going to all-time high and hitting the 444. So guys, the link comes section below if you want to join our exclusive community where we discuss those stocks, swing trade, day trade, and crypto trade, and of course live streaming early. This live streaming, guys, exclusive before the live streaming that we go on YouTube, where we discuss the market for the exact entry and exit, and we have the game plan for each day before the market open around 7 a.m. Eastern time. For now, what we should expect for DJT. For now, look at this, guys. As we discussed before, we have the pre-signaling before here around the 14th of November, where the price shoot up and squeeze. Right now, we have the same reaction here, where we got two buyers, as we said last week on Thursday and Friday. So now what we should expect for DJT. We have a current resistance is being confirmed from just the SEC filing and from the technical around the 29.70. So what's that mean? What's this orange line? So if this is the first time for you and you never traded before, simply put, we need to break this orange line and hold over it to confirm that DJT started to reverse and confirm this buyer and the bottom for this month over the 25.60. So we don't want to go back again. below the 25. Instead, we want to go up by Monday. If we have a gap up, even better, guys. Around the 29.70, if we gapped up, this will be the best reaction, the best action for DJT to go at least around the 32.24, and will give us at least a jump of 14%. However, in the pre-market, if you saw DJT jumping 5%, 6%, this will be even good reaction for DJT to continue to go higher and confirm the reversal, because you see what's happened here. The first sell-off, it was after the election, almost 50%. After that, we reverse 35%, not bad. After that, we didn't have any reversal, 25% down. So you see what's going on here. First, we jumped 50%, then 25%. Is kind of AI trading DJT. Is shorting 50, then 25, and now if we jumped, this should be the last, because you see the selling pressure is slowing down, guys. Let me just show you here. The first selling pressure was 50. The second one was 50, and the third one is 25. So we cut in half. The short selling is cutting in half because there's a buyer buying DJT and preventing from another 50% jump down. So this is a really good reaction that we have a reversal before the 50%, because last time we have two selling pressure of 50%. So this is a good reaction. As we said, just common sense is mean the selling pressure is lowering and the buying pressure is getting higher, and this is good indication, the second good indication that DJT will start to reverse. Again, guys, the bottom for this year in the big picture, we talk about the smaller picture, is 25.60 and the 29.70 support and resistance. However, in the big picture, we need to hold over the 23.30. So even if we didn't break the resistance, there is a chance, guys. If we didn't break here and we go down, this should be the bottom for a reversal. Because if we didn't, yes, is me confirming for another bottom toward the $20, give or take. So this is in the big picture. We talked about smaller picture. The big picture, we need to hold over the 23.30 if we don't break the 29.70 by this month. However, the next week will be the most important one for DJT to break the resistance. So because if we consolidate here, is mean, yeah, we could take some time, but the best case scenario is breaking before the end of next week. This level of resistance is mean, yes, this is where we have a good signal for a buyer, because if this buyer bought big position, will show by the next week by gapping up or at least testing the 29.70 and go toward the first profit taken, as we said, the 32.24, after that the 35. So even if we reverse, we should have again the 34.90 before the 35, which is the level that we have to test if we reversed. After that, we have the 39.50 and the 46. 66. And for my opinion, the most important level to break if we reverse is around the 39.50, 39.70. So I'm gonna put this line not orange but white, because will be the confirmation for another squeeze up. Yes, would be the first signal, orange line, but not the squeeze. The squeeze should start just below the $40, because this is the most heavily shorted place for DJT after the election. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below, are we gonna have a gap up for the next week over the $30, or we're gonna have a consolidation or pulling back down toward the 25? So let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow. Join us, guys, going live as usual every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time. However, if you want to have the game plan, how to trade and how to plan either buying the dip or buying the rep for DJT and the other stocks, because we trade in many stocks that have FDA approval, acquisition, many stock in the small cap and big cap before the market open. For the precise entry and exit, you have to head toward our Discord to to join us in our early live streaming around 7 a.m. Eastern time, 2 hours before the market open for the preparation for the hunt. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.